Excellent.
Go round.
So that's what Academy is starting to get ready to do here. And as soon as you
What's in here?
Oh, that one spits water.
Cheese.
This dinosaur mommy used to ring. Picture.
Oh, he's relaxing.
No.
That looks like. That's nicely. Two fingers. Two fingers. That's on the side.
Gently. Oh my god.
Pancake, and we'll spend most of their time down at the bottom by the sand.
Just suck it right out.
Now both of our and you want to keep your hands super still. Unfortunately, our stingrays are not big fans of splashing. Also, for anyone interested in feeding our stingrays, we do have food.
Give it.
Museum.
He'd be like, how fast are they? My name is Cheryl. These are my new friends from.
Midday snack. I'm out. He's just enjoying the match with Ruby.